सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम एक न्यू रीडिंग करने वाले हैं फॉर द नेक्स्ट 7 डेज। देखते हैं हमारे लिए करियर के लिए और लव के लिए क्या मैसेजेस आना चाहते हैं। देयर कुड बी सम अदर मैसेजेस विच मे वांट टू कम। लेट्स सी हमारी रीडिंग में क्या कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, कुछ ब्लेसिंग्स या कुछ एडवाइस आ रही हैं। So I think first is the Knight of Cups. I think there is going to be some fresh offers that is going to be given to you. Some new projects may come up in the next coming week. There is going to be some kind of an influential person. हो सकता है वो आपके बॉस हो सकता है कोई लीडर, कोई मैनेजर, कोई ऐसे हो जो आपकी मेहनत को देखते हुए, आपकी डेडिकेशन को देखते हुए आपको कोई न्यू टाइप के रोल्स ऑफर करें, या कोई टाइप की एक प्रोजेक्ट या कुछ फ्रेश स्टार्ट्स हो सकती हैं जहाँ पे आपको कोई न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिले इस पर्सन के थ्रू। आपकी मेहनत को है ना ड्यूरिंग दिस नेक्स्ट 7 डेज कुछ टाइप की एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिलेगी। आई ऑल्सो हैव अ फीलिंग दैट जो लोग जॉब्स ढूंढ रहे हैं उनको कुछ न्यू स्टार्ट्स करने के चांसेस मिल सकते हैं। बिजनेस के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है। आई थिंक आपका बिजनेस बहुत फ्लरिश करेगा ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम। डोंट टेक टू मेनी रिस्क्स एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। आई थिंक जॉब, बिजनेस या करियर से रिलेटेड कोई बिग रिस्क ना लें। अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको कोई डिसीजंस लेनी है, मेजर डिसीजन लेने से बचें ड्यूरिंग दिस नेक्स्ट 7 डेज। मे बी एट अ लेटर टाइम invest this time to actually understand the problems and try to work on correcting them instead of running away from problems. I have a feeling that आपकी मेहनत को कहीं ना कहीं एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा। सो इफ़ यू आर इन टू सम काइंड ऑफ एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस, या आप कुछ अपना बनाते हैं, आप वीडियोज़ बनाते हैं, या if there is some kind of a business that you're running, I think you will get a lot of success. Let's see some more messages. There is going to be some kind of a fight or a competition in your business, in your work, and you'll have to balance some energies out with people. बहुत easy नहीं रहेगा the upcoming week. You're going through some kind of a transformation in your career sector, and I think there may be some kind of endings and some kind of new beginnings that is going to come to your life in terms to your career. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के जॉब्स या कोई न्यू स्टार्ट्स हो आपके बिजनेस में, या कोई न्यू स्टार्ट्स हो आपके जॉब्स के एरिया में, या आपके पास कुछ फ्रेश स्टार्ट्स की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएँ। हो सकता है कुछ छूटे और कुछ नया आपको मिले ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम। लव के लिए you could be in some kind of a stuck cycle. You could be holding back a bit. You want to test the waters, or you're feeling a little bit closed off in terms to love, or you're not feeling very open and you're not expressing as much as you should. हो सकता है ये एटीट्यूड किसी एंडिंग से रिलेटेड रहा हो, and that has heavily weighed on your mind. Be careful about back pain during the next week. Okay, be careful about back pain and pain in your legs, in your joints. हो सकता है कि you might have some kind of pain in your legs, but I think love के लिए I have a feeling that there could be some egotistical people whom you are interacting with. Somebody could be very egoistic towards you. You are in your queen energy. You are a giver. Wherever you find that you are having enough to actually share with the world, and universe is going to bless you in terms to your relationships. You will also receive the guidance which is necessary for you in the upcoming week. There could be some important person who's helping you out in your relationships, who's helping you sort out things in your life and to move forward in a better way. हो सकता है कि कुछ burdens है जो आप carry कर रहे हो, and things are weighing heavily on your mind because of that, and you're not able to actually go full-fledged because I'm seeing those energies. Some of the energies in your life are very closed off, and you're not in your best version in terms to like expressing yourself. You're holding back on some things. You maybe, I don't know, maybe it's because you're getting some kind of a hot and cold reaction from certain people whom you're expecting some answers हो सकता है ऐसा, बट मेजरली आई फील ऑल्सो आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट कोई ऐसा आपकी लाइफ में है जो रिलेशनशिप में आपके प्रॉब्लम्स जो अगर हो रही है ना, फॉर सम इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ रिजिड वर्च्यूज, और कोई टाइप की जो कमिटमेंट आपकी लाइफ में आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो नहीं आने का रीज़न इज़ बिकॉज दैट पर्सन whom you have connected with is very rigid in mindset and very फैमिली वर्च्यू ट्रेडिशंस को बहुत होल्ड करते हैं टाइटली, एंड मे बी you might have or are connecting with somebody who is a control freak, so that could also be one of the thing. You will receive some kind of a solid advice, and I think for some reason now you at this point of time are seeing some in terms to relationships, I mean, you're not having that casual attitude, you are looking for something which is having some kind of a strong base where you can build something, so you are looking for something which has more meaning, which can set a foundation for a solid relationship. You might be getting some kind of offers from people, maybe like they might not be exactly what you are looking for, but you might receive some proposals, you might receive some offers where people are trying to be friendly with you, or there is some kind of a person who's coming towards you, who's wanting to bond towards you. See, the signs which I'm seeing is water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see fire signs, Sagittarius, and earth signs, Virgo, Capricorn. Actually all signs are there, but I feel there's a highlight of water signs. There's somebody with water sign who's coming towards you. Could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person who's coming with some kind of an offer towards you. हो सकता है कोई friendship का offer हो, a small gesture towards you. So, but that thing is going to heavily weigh upon your mind. Whatever is being offered to you is heavily going to weigh. It will feel like a burden, and maybe that is the reason why you're feeling a little bit closed off. I want to see what is see, you will have fresh new beginnings in your life. ये कोई भी zone में हो सकता है. Your creativity is going to be like at full power. हो सकता है कि आपके पास कोई न्यू क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ आए, कोई न्यू क्रिएटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स आप स्टार्ट करें, आप कुछ ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्ड करें. हो सकता है यूनिवर्स आपको कोई न्यू टाइप की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दे वेयर your passions will be very high in this coming week. Okay, you will be very stimulated, high, passionate towards things and ideas in your life. Okay, there is going to be a lot of positivity that is coming towards you. You will be very high in terms to manifestations also. तो अगर आप positive सोच रहे हैं ना, lot of things will turn in your favor. And don't focus on the negative things. There are a few things that is happening which is a little burden, but eventually things will sort out by the end of the week. So I think these were majorly the messages. Let's see the bottom of the deck. So it is the High Priestess. Like I said, intuition will be very heightened, and you will receive some kind of an advice from an older woman, or even someone who's very intelligent, who has feminine qualities, and who's very balanced, and you will receive some kind of an important advice from this person. And listen to this advice. Maybe it's really helpful for progressing further in your life. There could be some important message that you get through your dreams as well. I also have a feeling that I think somebody treats you like a queen. Okay, there is going to be somebody who really treats you well, who really finds you very attractive, very intuitive, and he's the person is very attracted to you. So, and also, you know, there is a bond with somebody, you know, which is very stimulating, and you know, there is some kind of a frequency match which you've clicked with somebody. Okay, so I think I have majorly covered everything. I think there is nothing more that I want to say. So yeah, I think these were the messages which I have for you. I hope you have a fun filled next week, and yeah, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next reading. Bye.